How to find a job in the United States as a foreigner. By far, the two best places to look for jobs in the United States. If you are just getting started with your job, such as Indeed and LinkedIn, I we had the most success using those two websites. If you are a foreigner, I recommended you search specifically for jobs that indicates that visa sponsorship is available in the search blank in need. For example, you can type visa sponsorship and see what results you get. Even thought Indeed and LinkedIn are the kings as far as search is concerned. It is still worthwhile to go through the sites below as you might find some hidden gems. Below is a section of resources for searching for employment opportunities as a foreigner. I will kick off that list with Indeed.com, the job site that I've had the most success with. General job search engine and classifieds. With the site below, you can expect to get a response rate who will respond back to you to whom you sent your application. Nevertheless, I encourage you to give these sites a try as you never know what you will come up with or what connections you can make from a simple email or applications. Indeed, big US job search site. This is the best place for regional state. Learn good I've seen job opportunities. This site that you bid for under the visa program. Other website blogs. Just landed, number one. Number two, guidelines